we will do another set of sentences wherein I'll give you the whole sentence and we will circle, identify and circle the prepositions. Okay? Circle the prepositions. In these sentences. Circle the preposition in these sentences. I'm going to write down some sentences for you and you will identify and will circle the prepositions. The policeman is on duty. I met a beggar. I met a beggar on the way. I met a beggar on the way. The next one is father is at home. I am talking I'm talking to my friend. She is proud. She is proud of her beauty. I am surprised about his failure. I am not acquainted with her. I am not acquainted with her. Be kind. Be kind to the poor. He is related. He is related to me. I have 9 sentences for you, and I'll write one small sentence here. I prefer milk to tea. Now, I've got 10 sentences for you, and what we are going to do is circle the correct prepositions in these sentences. So we are going to circle the prepositions. The policeman is on duty. On, very good. The policeman is on duty. I met a beggar on the way, on. I met a beggar on the way. And the third sentence, father is at home, at. I am talking to my friend, to my friend, to. She is proud of her beauty, of. I am surprised about his failure, about. And the seventh one, I am not acquainted with her. Be kind to the poor, to. She is related to me, to. And finally, I prefer milk to tea. So we have here 10 short sentences and we have circled the prepositions in the sentences correctly. The policeman is on duty. I met a beggar on the way. Father is at home. I am talking to my friend. She is proud of her beauty. I am surprised about his failure. I am not acquainted with her. Be kind to the poor. He is related to me. And finally, I prefer milk to tea. So what have we done here? Circling out the correct prepositions in each of these sentences.